ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इज मैक्सिमम एट, ठीक है। फोर ऑप्शन, 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, -4 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस। करेक्ट आंसर इज 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Next question, find the odd one out. Option, temperature, conduction, convection, radiation. Correct answer is temperature. At dew point, relative humidity is 100%. True or false? Option true. Second option false. Correct answer is true. Next question, dash dash is used to study the anomalous behavior of water. Option A, calorimeter, Joule's apparatus, Hope's apparatus, thermos flask. Correct answer is thermos, sorry, Hope's apparatus is a correct answer. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.18 joule. True or false? The given statement is false. False is a correct answer because 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. When ice melts, its volume increases, decreases, remain constant, increase or decrease. Correct answer is decrease. Next question. When water boils and is converted into steam, then what happen? Option A, heat is taken in and temperature remain constant. It is taken in and temperature rises. Heat is given out and temperature lower. Heat is given out and temperature remain constant. Here correct answer is A. Heat is taken in and temperature remain constant. Okay, as we know, when liquid converted into gaseous vapor, first time temperature of liquid rises at 100 degrees Celsius. It start to convert into gaseous vapor. After that, heat is just taken in and temperature remain constant. When steam condenses to form water, what happen? Heat is absorbed and temperature increases. Heat is absorbed and temperature remain the same. Heat is given out and temperature decreases. Heat is given out and temperature remain the same. Here correct answer is heat is given out and temperature remain the same. Okay. Uh, Steam condenses to form water. Heat is given out and temperature remain the same. Correct option is D. Ice or water is a substance that expands on melting and contracts on freezing, contracts on melting and does not undergo change in volume on freezing, contracts on melting and expand on freezing, does not undergo change in volume on melting or freezing. Question 9. Correct answer is option C. Contracts on melting and expand on freezing. During transformation of liquid phase to solid phase, the latent heat is absorbed, given off, used to increase temperature, used to decrease temperature. Here for equation 10, correct answer is B, that is given off. Okay, here during the transformation of liquid phase to solid phase, latent heat is given off. Next question, when water in ice tray in a refrigerator freezes to form ice, what happen? Heat is given out and temperature decreases. Heat is given out and temperature increases. Heat is given out and temperature is maintained. Its volume decreases. For, for question 11, correct answer is C. Okay, heat is given out and temperature is maintained. Okay, here water is converted into ice. First heat is given out and temperature of ice is maintained. The moisture in atmosphere is called humidity, pressure, radiation of heat, anomalous behavior of water. Okay, correct option is humidity. When air is saturated with vapor, excess vapor condenses on the surface of object in the form of water droplet. Whether this statement is true or false. Correct answer is true. Unit of energy, erg, joule, calorie, or all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. The capacity to do work is called heat, energy, work, none of the above. For question 50, correct answer is energy. With the increase in temperature, heat will be increase, constant, decrease, double. Here, correct answer is increase. How we measure the energy value of food? In joule per second, or calorie, or none of the above. Here, correct answer is C, that is calorie. Heat capacity depend upon change in temperature, mass of body, nature of substance, all of above. Question 80, correct answer is D, all of above. Question 90, dash dash is neither created nor destroyed, it can only change one form to another. Work, heat, energy, mass of body. Question 90, correct answer is C, energy. Energy neither created nor destroyed. Which of the following is the fastest process of heat transfer? Option: conduction, convection, radiation, insolation. For question 20, correct answer is C, radiation. Question 21, the factor directly proportional to the amount of heat conducted through a metal rod are. Question 21, option: time of flow of heat, area of cross section, temperature gradient, all of the above. Here correct answer is D, all of the above. Factors directly proportional to the amount of heat conducted through the metal rod. What would be the thermal resistance of an ideal conductor? Okay. Option: 0, 1, infinity, 10. Here correct answer is 0. For any ideal conductor, thermal resistance must be 0. Why does the bottom of lake not freeze in the severe winter even when the surface is all frozen? Option are the water has large specific heat, the conductivity of ice is low, the water has large latent heat of fusion, temperature of earth at the bottom of the lake is high. For question 23, correct answer is B. The conductivity of ice is low. A cooking pot is coated black because black substances absorb more heat, black substances reflect more heat, black surfaces are easier to clean, the material of the pot would not be damaged. Here, correct answer is A, that is, black substances absorb more heat. Question 25. A cup of hot tea on a metal table in a room losses heat by conduction, convection, radiation, all of the above. Here, correct answer is D, all of the above.